Hello, welcome. We are Crazy Wacky. Yeah, you heard right. We are Crazy Wacky, pure local. We bring you crazy, wacky, helpful tips and hints on how to overcome any bad habits, addictions, and more. We do this by creating original crazy, wacky videos, crazy, wacky songs with crazy, wacky lyrics that will help you overcome any bad habits, addictions, and become happier, enjoy life more, smile more, have more fun, and so forth. We created these solely for you, in order to make you laugh, smile, perhaps roll around on the floor clutching your tummy, holding onto your sides, begging us to stop making you laugh. Heck, you might even relate to some of the things we talk about in our videos, and then suddenly jump up all excited and exclaim, yeah buddy, that was me way back, yeah, been there, done that mate. So get totally crazy, wacky by simply watching this video and all the other videos. Like them, no, rewind that, love them, then subscribe to us, add your comments below, and then go show all our videos to all your family, friends, neighbours, the cats, the dogs, and everything else in your street. Now, here is our first completely crazy wacky video to help you. You just might be a coffee caffeine addict, wishing you could quit having over 20 cups loaded with 4 to 6 teaspoons of sugar in each every day, but you just can't. You are going to love us for this. We can guarantee it. If you do, add your comments below. We'll get back to you on those as soon as possible. Now, we suggest, look at the picture to the right of us. You see a kitchen scenario there. There's a low bench and then there's heaps of shelves, right? You might be 5'3" to 5'6" to even 6 foot, but that's really high. That looks like it's about 7 feet up. We don't know why they built it, made it that high, but it looks like it's about 7 feet up. Okay. So here's the beauty of this. All these down here, yeah, you're either going to use them all up, your coffee and your sugar and your milk, and you're not going to buy any more. That's what you'll tell yourself, right? But then you'll go to your local dairy or your local supermarket, you'll get the jitters, who see packets of coffee, you'll be like, coffee, and you'll be getting the shivers, going cold turkey. So you go and buy you some packets, you go home, like we did, and then you start indulging in spoonfuls of coffee and loads of sugar. And then you cry in your soup later on, oh damn, why couldn't I give up? Why can't I quit? Why? Temptation got the better of you. Maybe you were weak-willed. We were like that once. You might say, I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm determined I'm not going to buy anymore. But you still go out and you buy something, right? Temptation got you again. So you decide, I'll just drink tea. Yeah, I'll drink tea. So you drink it for a month and it's boring. So sick of tea, I'm really craving a coffee. Something different, right? So you run up the road and you go and buy some packets of coffee, and then basically your bad habit, your addiction is going you're like a dog chasing its tail. It's just going round and round circles, right? And you can't quit, and you start crying in soup again. That little voice in your head, be it Satan, the devil, demons, whatever, say, go buy some coffee, come on, I need some coffee, you need some coffee, go buy some sugar, buy some milk. Okay? It wants to have total control of you through craving. Okay? Getting the craves for caffeine. So you run off, you buy some, and you cry in your soup later on. Why can't I give up? Why can't I give up coffee and sugar? Why? Well, here is the best ever invention since sliced bread toasted with cheese. See those shelves over there? Up there, right? Okay? You are going to put the coffee and sugar up the top, right up the top where those plants are. If you have a shelf that tall, right? This is just an example, remember? Okay? You're going to put them up there. So when you get the urge, the temptations, you'll look up and you go, hey, the coffee's way up there. It's way up there. I have to get a chair. I have to climb up there to get it. Yeah? This is the beauty of it. You're going to say to yourself, nah, because you're subconscious up here. It's the negative. It's anti-you. It doesn't believe anything you say. Yeah? It's not taking you seriously. So you got to trick it. You got to say, no, I've quit coffee. I've really quit. I'm not having a coffee. I'm not going to get that chair. I'm not going to climb up there and get that coffee. No. Got to keep telling yourself that, right? That's where the hint works best. Because you have to go get the chair to climb up the top there, where those plants are, to get your coffee and your sugar to have your caffeine fix. So every time you get that temptation, you look up there, you look at the chair, it's pretty high up there, I have to get the chair. No, I'm not going to be doing that because I have quit. You have to take yourself really seriously. You're going to tell yourself, you tell your subconscious mind, you're negative up here, I'm too lazy to get that chair in order to climb to get that coffee. Remember what Jesus once said? Resist the devil and he shall flee from you. Well, coffee is the devil, but it doesn't run from you. It more runs to you, or you run to it. So you have to run from it. How are you going to do that, you might ask? Well, you will resist it by saying, no, I have quit coffee. Okay? I have quit coffee forever. The coffee and the sugar stays up high. It stays up there. I will not grab a chair to get it. I have quit coffee and sugar for good. Forever. Say it to yourself over and 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 over again. Every day. Especially when temptation whispers you. When the devil sneaks up behind you and says, hey, have a coffee. Just have one coffee. Look, you're stressing, you need a coffee. You got the cold turkeys, you need a coffee. Don't listen to that little voice, right? In your head. For you are the boss, not it. Ta-da! When you give this a try and you win, high five. Kudos to you. Let us know in the comments below. Tell us. I don't drink coffee no more. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your video. And we'll get back to you on those comments as soon as you can. And don't forget to subscribe us. After give us a like, subscribe to us, and then go share this video, all our videos, with all your family, friends, and others. Bye. We'll see you soon with another video on another bad habit addiction you may have as a religiously oriented, affiliated, associated holy person. Be you into Judaism, Islam, or Christianity, or one of those other denominations. So until then, bye bye.